and we had 12 alien models.
अच्छा ये है.
Alien model. Plan visit.
इसमें कुछ है नहीं.
Okay.
वो थोड़ा ई वाला ऊपर चला जाता. इसलिए थोड़ा नीचे आया.
But wait.
Wait.
Okay. In your module 3 presentation, you mentioned about controlling your mind for watching faltu videos.
Yes.
That is not appearing in this module.
I forgot to put it.
You can write it right now. It is certainly it must be an important one.
Controlling mind for not seeing video. Faltu video. Faltu.
And how are you working on it?
Then I have to edit.
Of course.
So he is making presentation.
No, he is not making. He's adding in the suggestion box.
Oh, in suggestion box.
क्या suggestion है?
Oh, what? That's it.
Written. Do you know how to work on your difficulty of the faltu videos?
Yet.
Did you do something about it?
I do not do something with it. हम लोग फालतू ये दादा देते हैं अब. मैं पहले तब देते तब दादा देते.
बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है.
From how many hours to how many hours it has
4
increased?
hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. In the center I'm talking about. On free day.
On free day.
Free day. अच्छा फालतू.
He is
वो फालतू इधर ही छोड़ना तब कर रहा है.
more
We are not talking of
time in center only. He's maybe maximum more time in center only on Friday. Because for and activity miscellaneous. Only short video, killing video. इसने उसको मार दिया, उसने उसको ये कर दिया. इतना. So you can see in his history. YouTube history.
Oh my goodness. It's true?
Yeah. Wait for a minute.
But you're saying only on Fridays.
Yeah, Friday like this.
Like this.
Wait, so fast I cannot read anything.
Like this. Okay, see.
ऊपर करे short video पे जाए.
You want to see my third video? See.
On Friday. Last time only on Friday.
This is Friday, no?
Take it.
The truth behind Sting Energy drink. What is Sting Energy?
Energy drink.
I'm sure you must have. There is a lot on roti from all these videos, no?
No.
कोई ना कोई तो रोटी तो होगा.
बाप ने बेटी का मर्डर कर दिया. मर्डर केस ऑफ इंडिया. मोस्ट मिस्टीरियस. Here third number.
Most mysterious.
Murder case of India.
तुम मुझे स्टार देश लिए तुम्हें बुला रहा है.
बेबी स्किल है कि किल है.
काला पानी दे लो.
नहीं वो नहीं उसके ऊपर.
Escape from
ऐसा होता था
Pakistan
काला पानी जाला में.
काला पानी दे लो.
सॉरी जेल में अत्याचार.
आपने पढ़ रही काला पानी.
Singapore became Asia #1 country. Officer who prevented World War III. Bhopal gas leak.
कल्पना चावला.
What really happened to space? Are these shorts or these are long videos?
These are long videos.
But I see that here maybe थोड़ा ही देखते हैं.
थोड़ा ही
देखते हैं ना. पूरा complete का. ये वाला complete है.
Yeah.
Pakistan jail.
Wait, one thing more. Not here. Maybe just skip that.
Watch later.
Are all the good videos that we should see, but they are not looking. इतना effort डालना. History tells the truth, isn't it? Watch later. I know. Watch later.
You know my all the work, and then you cannot say me.
So see, I have a little. I've not seen much, but if there is roti in that,
Anything
there's supposed to be roti, na? If you are investing time in videos,
if you are spending your time anywhere, there should have been some outcome to होना चाहिए ना.
रोटी होना चाहिए, you are saying.
हाँ.
If you are investing your time, outcome निकलना चाहिए उसका.
We are not telling you don't watch videos, right? We are telling you roti दे दो. रोटी दिखाओ. कहाँ बनाया?
रोटी मैं बनाती आपको दे दूँगा.
Okay, रोटी में.
दाने.
रोटी स्लाइड में. ठीक है?
लाइव रोटी आप पेपर पोछा दिया जाएगा.
Okay. So what I'm hearing is that yes, watching videos is something that you are saying it has increased. But are you seeing only on Fridays?
धार पे मैं वो दो मैं फालतू वीडियो बता रहा था, मैं धार पे देखते थी बता रहा था.
हाँ.
हम सेंटर
He's talking about house, right?
I'm not talking about center.
For you're talking about this फालतू वीडियो, तो जो हम देखते हैं उसको हमें कहीं ना भेजना होता है ना, but they are not sending anywhere.
वो जो
WhatsApp पे.
फालतू वीडियो
In center.
वो जो फ्राइडे वाले. हाँ. On Fridays you were before sharing that I'm watching this video.
No,
Maybe after a sentence I said you make a list of free day, means playlist.
We do not. Yeah, he said.
कार्तिक भैया तो ऐसा कह रहे थे. I
Yeah,
don't
he
know.
said.
Means I'm not watching more videos on Friday. Means I'm not watching, I can say.
You have your goal. You are focused in your goal.
He
You
was
are not watching that, but they are watching. So sometimes I asked, why are you not sending on WhatsApp? He said, कार्तिक भैया said, सेंटर इंचार्ज ने कहा कि अब उसमें फ्री डे का जो भी आपने देखा उसका एक अलग प्लेलिस्ट बनाइए.
तो प्लेलिस्ट बन रहा है?
नहीं बन रहा.
हाँ, तो देन अगर नहीं बन रहा है देन इधर वन और दी अदर, पर कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना. फिर तो
I do not.
okay. So that is one thing. One is what it's thinking about the Friday thing. Second is at home, how much it has increased from what to what? If you can specify with numbers.
Today I will specify in night 1 hour. I think I'll let it total 2 hours. I think
In house.
yes.
Total 2 hours. Impossible.
Then be 3 hours.
Hmm?
3 hours. It is not more than 3 hours. It is not impossible. It is more than 3. It is only 3 hours.
No. 1.5 घंटे तो आप दोपहर में ऐसे ही देख लेते हैं.
1.5.
Yeah.
1.5 hours. Then I see in evening 1 hour.
When he went to the house, he just take his phone. जब भी जाते हैं, just take the phone and they started to watch. I don't know what he is watching, but they started to watch not here. I am not saying here. Inside the house. So in afternoon he is not in the center. He is in the house.
Yes.
And when his mother take the phone or father जो भी है, तो then he again आ जाता है. Yeah, comes back. And if you are not here, then again he went to the house and take somebody phone जो भी है. यही कहते हैं ऐसा हम
Or
नहीं
you,
देखते.
I would prefer to hear it from you. If you can say.
नहीं आपने
You
कहा
tell.
है.
I
आपने
had said that.
You tell yourself.
I said that. But when you came, when I came here and I do not see anybody, then I do not see my phone. Then I start to do kung fu.
या कुंफू भी वही मैं सोच रही थी कि उस दिन मैंने आपको ऊपर से देखा था. So I was thinking why kung fu is not appearing in challenges. That because it what is it kung fu?
Not a best fighting kung fu.
Huh?
Not a fighting practice.
It's important to think about all these things because there are things that trouble you in one way or the other. Kung fu especially.
Yes.
है ना?
You have so many difficulties.
भैया दीदी वो तो सबको difficulties है.
मैं इनके difficulty मैं बता दे रही हूँ ना. बहुत जल्दी
You also have so many difficulties.
हाँ तो मैं तो
But
पूछती हूँ
yes.
गोपाल भैया tell me my difficulties. हम नहीं बताते.
That's
Yeah,
it.
difficult he said to me. He started cry. अभी हल्का सा इन्हें थोड़ा सा अभी तेज बोल दो. He just started cry. Like in the presentation today, I'm giving example.
Dude, I do not
it is-
I do not try it. It is a lie.
No, I'm not.
Lie, not the lying.
When-
Lying. You are lying. It cannot be.
It's okay to cry.
Yeah, sometimes I start
It's
crying.
okay to cry. I
La-
also
like,
cry.
yeah.
Yeah, sometimes
in afternoon, when
too
it
much
went
night is
upstairs,
Yeah.
it is maybe 30 minute 25 3 minute 25 second.
Not
3 minute 25 second का ही वीडियो बना था total.
Yeah,
I said him why only 2 points. Then you said no, if you are not completing तो आपने बंद करवा दिया.
अच्छा गोपाल जी.
हाँ.
तुम्हें थोड़ा एक
When
दो
you
आंसू
went-
निकल जाए. एक दो
तो
आंसू
आप
निकल जाए.
he started crying.
I do not
उतने
start crying.
पैसे-
मेरे तीन
No,
चार
I
आंसू निकल
understand.
जाए.
Yes,
तीन
it's,
चार.
It
it's normal.
is normal. I said no problem. क्या हो गया, मेरा 5 हो गया, आपका 3 हो गया, पर कल हो सके तो मेरा ना हो, आप कर लीजिएगा. हाँ. But he started crying. And one day हाँ ऐसे अगर मैं थोड़ा सा डांट दे या थोड़ा सा बोल दे स्टार्ट.
मैंने डांटा था.
नहीं आपने डांटा नहीं. मैं बताती हूँ इनके अंदर ये चला है कि इनका हो गया, मेरा नहीं हुआ.
Mentioned like the
That's
comparison हो रहा है.
That's why
Because of
he
this.
started crying.
Because of comparison.
Yeah, to them.
And I
मेरा
understand, but
दिमाग खराब था तो मैं भूल भी लगी थी और
Yeah. And that is why it was good to close it at that time. So
मेरा
we
सर
can go
दर्द
and
भी
eat.
कर रहा था.
I understand. But then before presentation we should make sure our tummies are full, na? Because presentation.
हम लोग का पता सब टाइम जब होता चलेगा.
But you started 2 hours after Somya started.
Yeah.
So you knew you had 2
I
hours
said
between
him,
you.
go and eat
You
food.
ate, no? Kuvira was eating, so I think you must have eaten at the same
No,
time.
मेरा प्लान था 9 बजे जाने था. तो भी सर इतना लेने
अच्छा, मतलब बिना टाइम का एक्स्ट्रा क्लास हुआ था. वैसे भी बिना टाइम का ही होता है.
So are you writing down these challenges that we have discussed? Because it's important to put everything in one place. It is helpful. It's not about having many points, right? This is not the. It's about, are these actually the challenges of Gopal?
Yeah.
And the better you know your challenges, the better you can think of the solutions. If somebody tries to hide their challenges, then they are losing the opportunity to work on them with more people together. ये क्या है? Challenges. फालतू वीडियो क्या है? Kung Fu. हाँ. Okay. Anything other challenges? You want to ask Somya Didi if she wants to tell you what
Any other
challenges?
talent that for me?
पीयर प्रेशर में बहुत जल्दी आता है.
हम आते हैं जरूर आते हैं. तो रोज आते
Peer
हैं.
pressure में चलता है.
मीन्स लाइक आई कैन से आई कैन गिव एग्जांपल. किसी ने गलती कर दी तो बस थोड़ा सा गोपाल नहीं लाइक हाँ कार्तिक भैया बैठे हैं कंप्यूटर पे. गोपाल भैया का टाइपिंग है बैठने का कंप्यूटर पे. उनका टाइमिंग हो गया है. उन्होंने कहा उठिए. देन कार्तिक भैया से हाँ गोपाल भैया 2 मिनट रुक नहीं सकते. जब वो थोड़ा सा तेज बोल दिए देन ये दब जाएंगे वहाँ पे. देन ही कैन नॉट से एनीथिंग. जस्ट फिर ये मेरे पास आएंगे तो बैठ गया है उठ नहीं रहा.
I think it's similar to the example earlier. Gopalji wanted to ask question, but then he worried that Kartik Bhaiya will ask me questions.
Yes.
है ना? But then he gathered the courage. Then he gathered the courage to ask the questions without thinking ke okay he will do whatever. He had the courage. So he has courage inside. He needs to bring it out. Right?
Any more talent?
You are very lazy.
ये तो अंदर talent है.
आपको इसको खत्म करना है ना. अभी एग्जांपल देती हूँ. उस दिन सर आपको बुलाए. मैं बता रही उस दिन सर आपको बुलाए. आप वहाँ खड़े होकर कह रहे हैं क्या है. देन ही सेड हाँ ठीक है ये इंसिडेंट नोटबुक में लिख लीजिएगा. आपने अभी तक नोटबुक में नहीं लिखा है. एंड आई रिमाइंड यू मे बी 2-3 टाइम्स. उसी दिन मैंने आपको रिमाइंड कराया.
क्या है? What is this?
अभी आप कहाँ दिख रहे हैं इंसिडेंट.
Practice.
Yeah. Every time she might learning out of presentation.
Okay, all right. So I think there is enough content for your challenges slides. You will need to give an iteration because now there are few more additions.
वन इन्हें डिफिकल्ट होता है मैथ सॉल्व करने में, मीन्स वर्ड लिखने में।
It's about the writing part.
या
हाँ.
सो इन्हें वो कई दिन से मेरे पास आ रहे थे, कह रहे ये मुझे कैसे लिखना है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, मुझे आता नहीं है, मैं कर नहीं पाता हूँ।
क्या लिखने नहीं आया?
मीन्स लाइक वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है,
हाँ.
वर्ड प्रॉब्लम को कुछ वर्ड्स में करके एंड देन इज इक्वल्स टू मीन्स मोर डिटेल में
How
मैथ
to
सॉल्व करना।
answer a
Yeah.
math question?
Yeah.
No, how to answer a word problem.
वर्ड प्रॉब्लम
How to answer a word problem?
या वर्ड प्रॉब्लम लाइक अगर क्वेश्चन है 4 कुर्सी तो यहाँ पे 4 कुर्सी का प्राइस कितना है, ऐसे करके ये नहीं लिखवाता है।
Organized.
Yeah.
Presenting the information in an organized way. Okay.
Yes.
Can you note that down? It's an interesting thing that we can work on.
दैट इज रिसेंटली का ही है, ये कल परसों या भी पूछ रहे थे मुझसे हाउ कैन आई डू।
Yeah, I was what this.
Okay. So इसका iteration करेंगे because these are pointers and how to address them. You can think about it. Okay, Gopal ji. All right.
And then my net brain plan we had actual yearly and model. Year 2010 model 4. Okay. Yearly plan was yet actual in plan year I had to do math class 4, class 5, class 6 and class 7 complete. At 12 class 5, chapter 14, 3 chapter are left.
Okay, this is of
Yearly.
this previous year and what has happened.
Yeah.
Okay.
This year planning.
But you have not mentioned class 4 also completed, right? वो जो pending था.
For that.
रीजन का नो वेट,
There were few chapters of class 4. No, there were many chapters of class 4.
हाँ मैं जाता गोपाल भैया उसमें वो जोड़ना है ना, टेबल जोड़ना था ना,
इसमें
इसी में जोड़ना था।
वो yearly plan भी है वो दूसरा
हाँ,
टेबल थोड़ा है
टेबल ऐड करना है।
तब ऐड
आई थॉट इसमें नहीं भाई,
इसमें टेबल नहीं ऐड करना है
एक कोई प्रेजेंटेशन में भी इसी में टेबल, ये सर का ही है ना, क्योंकि मैम ने करंट मॉडल बोला है ना।
इतना ऐड हुआ था ये प्रेजेंटेशन इतना ऐड हुआ है पिछले मॉडल
प्लान वर्सेस एक्चुअल ईयरली एंड मॉडल, प्लीज आई वांट टू सी दैट। मुझे लग रहा है कि एक बार देख लेते हैं, क्या पता ना हो तो अच्छी बात है।
स्लाइड
प्लान वर्सेस
ये
नहीं प्लान वर्सेस एक्चुअल ट्यूशन प्लान,
वही है
इसमें मेरा नाम लिखा है।
थोड़ा तो मैं प्लान थोड़ा ना ई तो है
हाँ वैसे तो नहीं,
यही था
हाँ ठीक है। तो उसमें फिर वो किसमें बना है, टेबल किसमें बना है?
मॉडल एंड रिव्यू प्लानिंग में है लर्निंग आउटकम में था दूसरा दिन
प्लान वर्सेस एक्चुअल का जो, हाँ लर्निंग आउटकम में था वो तो हट गया। प्लान वर्सेस एक्चुअल का कितना प्लानिंग किया था, कितना हमें करना था और उसका एक्चुअल हमने कितना किया है, वो वाली टेबल की बात कर रही हूँ।
वो लर्निंग आउटकम में ही था,
मैं एक में और था
मॉडल एंड रिव्यू एंड प्लानिंग में होता फिर मॉडल रिव्यू एंड प्लानिंग में होता टेबल।
ठीक है।
Yeah, plan with actual plan with actual yearly and model function in my meeting. Yearly plan class 4, class 5, class 6, class 7 complete of math. But I forgot to add class 4 I completed.
Please add it. It's such a big thing you did in class 4. So many chapters were there. नहीं तो ऐसा लगा कि only one book you were doing, but you were actually doing 2, almost 2.
Yeah, I was planning this year complete class 4, class 5 and class 6 and class 7. But actually I mean, yeah. And on model plan math complete class 5, English complete read that for the drama class 1. At 12 class 5 chapter 14, 3 chapter are left. English read that poor than not completed. Drama class 1 not completed.
Okay, but here your quantification, this English that put that not completed. It could be that 2 pages are left,
Yeah, then
or it could be that 100 pages are left. Be specific.
Yeah,
That is faster. Page are left. Okay. And then 2-3 chapters are left for math solve.
for math.
Because it changes the whole thing. It looks at 3 पूरे chapters, but you have done.
Yeah.
You have done. It's just the solving part is pending. Okay, grammar class तो पूरा complete नहीं है ना?
नहीं मैंने किया है ग्रामर क्लास बट
अच्छा किया क्या है?
ग्रामर क्लास में था तो इतना भी करने थे ना तो I had not done it.
You have not done it. But you have done something.
I only see the video.
How many videos?
I had seen till I think phonic था.
उसके पहले क्या था?
हाँ हाँ
Phonic.
वो स्टार्ट किया आपने.
I meant phonic.
MS phonics.
Phonic नहीं.
Phonic.
But how much that would be
I
if you
don't
have
know
to
the
quantify it?
exact name of that chapter, something related with this.
Mhm.
वो उन्होंने कंप्लीट नहीं किया, अभी वो इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया है.
Uh-huh.
अभी ये कर नहीं रहे काफी दिन से.
So you mean like he's at the beginning level of the class one?
No, he completed many classes,
Uh-huh.
many chapters. But I don't remember how many chapters.
Yeah.
But I know maybe 2-3 week हो गए या उसके ऊपर ही. He is not doing grammar. In
Why-
starting he was
Why
doing
I did
grammar.
not
In the
do it?
starting of the model.
I did not do it because I focused on math. Then I focused on math.
Both things can go hand in
Yeah, it
hand.
can be.
But here, you know, like not completed. See, what I'm getting, maybe you have done more than 1 quarter. Okay, but here is like not completed. I don't know कि कितना complete है वो. So it
नहीं तो
really
फिर ये
helps.
बार बार ये देखना है. That means it's not complete Gopalji. You have to be complete and then so. I don't. Because he's checking the YouTube. Because it is not the complete presentation.
ठीक है. You have a notebook where you need to note down the things that you have to do.
Done करने से. अरे नीचे लिख लो ना. Click to add speaker notes.
What?
Uh-huh. What?
What?
You tell me what?
Be more detailed. Write more detail.
Be more detailed for that नहीं.
More detail. हाँ detail तो उसका.
इटा
हाँ लिख ले आपको समझ में पड़ जाएगा.
detail.
डिटेल ठीक है.
Okay. Let's go to Vancouver. You think you have a presentation also?
No, I have to make the presentation.
Okay. Okay. Now next.
Nothing in that.
Okay. That's it, no?
Yeah.
Complete.
One more painting. Then with I then. Yeah. Then it can be also not with I can live.
Sorry? You can give or you can't give? I didn't understand.
Why?
What? Huh?
Like here I also do not add it at 12. Put not complete how many pages are left.
So how different is this slide from the previous?
Here only briefly say what your thought. Don't.
But you are not saying it.
So एक minute.
Wait. Briefly का meaning क्या होता है?
थोड़ा मेरा खोलिएगा. मुझे वो confusion है. I am confused. नीचे ही है.
Short.
I am
in a short
confused
manner.
where we have to means we are adding somewhere table. I don't know where वो वही मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ. टेबल इसमें है कि टेबल उसमें है.
और इतना मॉडल दो लाख.
नहीं उसमें मेरा नाम. ब्रीफली में क्या है. ड्रिलिंगो भी आ गया. मैथ भी आ गया. Why not then?
हमारे में भी है.
Where did?
You do did the yes do. No.
Why not? Because of resilience and compassion. Which I told you. Only you have this code?
Yeah, I have this do right.
Only 2?
Drama तक.
मुझे लगा 2 ही नहीं.
नहीं 3 डॉलर दे यार बता forgot to put up grammar.
Because
Previous slide, can you show?
Yeah.
No, I will complete class 5 in this module. Actually, I don't complete class 5, but I completed 4. Okay. Next.
I forgot to add up grammar.
Okay, next.
And then why
Why
not?
not? Because. So, how different is this slide from the one that you just showed me? I see the same content.
उसमें yearly वाला है.
वो yearly वाला था.
नहीं वो yearly
अच्छा,
मॉडल
अच्छा,
दोनों था
अच्छा.
था.
Okay,
तो इसमें सिर्फ मॉडल था.
True. Okay. See, laziness and procrastination you are mentioning here, but it's a challenge
yeah, it's a challenge for me also.
for everybody.
It's a
Laziness
a
and
talent.
procrastination, yes.
Huh?
For,
Yeah,
because
it's a
of laziness and procrastination, I did not complete class 8.
So how are we working on it? Right?
Control to mind. In a shortened
It's okay
goal.
it's okay to have laziness and procrastination, but then what are we doing with it? Don't finish like, oh, I didn't do it because of laziness and procrastination. What I'm going to do about it is that
I think it's like going to be edited. It's like going to be edited.
Yeah, there will be one more slide.
Acha.
How will you? What are you doing for that?
that's
What
not
will
the-
you do?
That slide is not there.
Yeah.
Two slide is missing in his presentation.
Acha. So then this
वो वाला slide में तो था ही नहीं.
I'm talking about grammar and
Yeah, grammar one and then when you were saying.
what will you do?
Yeah,
for
अभी
that?
आया हुआ है
And
ना.
maybe what are you doing? जो भी है, ऐसा कुछ
अभी
है
आया हुआ है ना वो भी.
हाँ वो पिछले बार सर बोले थे नहीं वो क्योंकि पॉइंट में नहीं है यू कैन सी
It is not in the point.
पॉइंट में नहीं है पिछले बार आपको याद है मीन्स व्हेन वी आर presenting this presentation then presentation से कि इसमें दोनों सेम नहीं है इसमें ये भी तो ऐड करना है और इसी में नहीं उसमें भी ऐड करना है जहाँ पे y आ रहा है वहाँ पे मतलब कोई अगर ऐसा कोई डिफिकल्ट आ रहा है किसी की वजह से नहीं हुआ है
इसमें क्या वाइज ऐड करना है?
प्लान वर्सेस एक्चुअल इसमें आपने नहीं किया क्यों नहीं किया ये भी इसमें ऐड होगा क्यों नहीं किया संडे जाने का मैंने नहीं कहा आप जाके मुझे पूछिए I did not say he said
Okay.
please
Now what
होना
are we
चाहिए
doing?
ना क्यों नहीं हुआ है
Now one more.
But this one is not complete. The one that you were
Both
showing now.
both are
क्योंकि
not
इसमें pending slides है ना?
Yeah.
हाँ
So this will be pending. Okay. It's like you have not presented. So it's not an iteration. This is like no presentation.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Next.
Then running out.
Roti.
Yes.
Roti.
Yes.
done
I have kindness from all my deep learning.
oh you just put it all the deep learning
Yeah, I want
But
to put it.
he
नहीं
doesn't.
नहीं वो नहीं करना है not
Yeah.
only you cannot put only your deep learning you have to put what you have learned तो इसमें बहुत टाइम लगेगा that's why I said मैं लास्ट में करूँगी means we have to think what means आप में इम्प्रूवमेंट क्या हुई है आपने कहाँ टाइम स्पेंड किया आपने अगर कोई वीडियो देखा तो उसमें क्या सीखा है
YouTube
all the things you have to be put it there हो गया